train is arriving.
We are in the trenches. Wow.
Hey guys, it's currently 3 a.m. and I'm in a hurry. I actually need to get to the train station as soon as possible because my train is by 3:40. My friend and I were going to another city to go check out a clothing factory, and I'm taking you guys along with me. Please, if today is your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Patricia. Please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, see you guys. Guys, I'm actually running late. I need to book my cab now and I need to leave in like 5 minutes. So I'll see you guys when I get to the train station.
So when I got to the train station, we've already started queuing up. It's a slow train. So the sun is rising. So beautiful.
Train is arriving.
We need to find a place for me to eat though before I faint.
We're out from the train.
Wow.
Hot sauce. Fine girl sauce. Nampat MDL. The multi-dimensional.
First, breakfast. Let's get some breakfast. So,
Nampat MDL. The multi.
Now you
Come chop.
Thank you. You want to sleep? We're done with breakfast now, on our way to the factory. Yeah, thank you, my PA. We're actually here. We're trying to find the place, guys. Like, there are so many warehouses. Hello. Hi. This is actually not the warehouse we came to look for. We just saw this and we entered to ask some questions. They produce sportswear, they do all the cutting, the sewing, and they also have a separate factory where they produce the fabric. So they took their time, they took us round. This place is huge, like it's actually big. They have so many people sewing. Went to where they do the assembling, where they iron, and yeah. And it's actually quite affordable. Then we left there. We're still looking for the place we came to find, guys. We went to the next building. We saw this open place. We decided to play some table tennis. This is my first time playing tennis and I was whooped. We also saw this place that is nice for taking pictures. I'll put some pictures I took here. We're going to look for other places that also sell clothes. So at least we'll be able to get something. Then from here, we'll be going to another factory where they produce bikes. I'm getting hungry. My breakfast has expired.
Some of us not eat breakfast though.
But you drank my coffee.
If I told you to drink your coffee, you say you're not drinking. Let me drink for you.
Well done, dranker. The brand.
I swear I pity this guy.
That's how he would have lost his money.
1,000 pieces of clothes.
Imagine how much they told him they'll sell it. We left the clothing factory buildings. So sadly, we're unable to find the place, guys. Imagine if we didn't come to look for this place. According to the people we asked, the address we have is actually not a real address. The thing is, this particular place is known for producing fabrics. However, the address it's not a real address. So the funny thing is, the person who sent that address to the client had already sent invoice and has been pressuring the client to make some payment before he's like, oh, we should help him confirm the address. It's very important to confirm your address before making any purchase.
2元。
2元。
对。中文说的挺好。
谢谢你。So after searching and we couldn't find the place, we just left and we went to this other mall. This place is quite big, like really big. For this particular mall, I didn't really see things I liked, but for kids, like they have a lot of things for kids, really nice things for kids, shoes, and they are quite affordable.
你试试吗？
对，我想试这个。
OK。这个好，这个哪里都合适。
多少？290。
对。
We're going to look at some bikes. This is the third place we're going. The sun is shining so bright. Is it battery they are offloading? Nampat. Just open mouth. Okay, this is the bike safe. Can I go in? 可以进吗？你好。你好。你好。These are the batteries, right?
这个电动车的价格是吧？
对。
这个的话就是你要这款车型，这款的话我看一下，450。
450。
对。
我看那个没有。
Okay, this is the number.
No, this is like the size.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, 130 by 31.
这是30，这是65，那是130。
Yeah, I get.
And that my guy they ship by CBM, so like they go check them as it's big like this, they go measure them.
Yeah, I know. All the buildings here are warehouses, left, right, center, like every single place. Hello.
你是哪国？
我是尼日利亚人。
非洲。
对。
咦，你看中文说的挺好的。
谢谢。
中文说的挺好的。
谢谢。
中文。
那普通话说的挺好的嘞。
谢谢阿姨。
说的挺好。
小朋友。
看你大。
你看看，你这个阿姨。
拜拜。So now firewood, these people they use. This is like the rural area. Then they use this firewood to do something.
It's not
we are in the trenches.
I have their contacts.
Nothing concern me and you. Nothing concern me and you.
Shebi na me hold your ticket.
Then send me the code.
Hi, fuck off.
Waiting then they load here. 这个是什么东西？你笑我？为什么笑我啊？这个是什么？
Air freshener.
我可以来看一下吗？好了，来了。你好，阿姨。Okay, air freshener. Oh. You see better person. When can I church can do and
Maybe.
Oh.
柠檬、茉莉、玫瑰、火鸡、菊花，这香肠啊。
Oh, this is no fienta.
它都是这个一个箱型一份，一个箱型
一个箱多少？
一箱40瓶。
40瓶多少钱？
这个啊，一按100吧，还2块5吧。
Okay, 一个2块5。
哎，对。
Oh. As we were leaving the electric bike, warehouse, we also saw these people. They were offloading some things, and then we just asked questions. So we asked some questions, and the woman was kind enough. She took us round. They produce air freshener. Again, this is their warehouse. Their factory is not far from here. She was so kind. They produce a lot of things.
This is that for train station they come back from.
How low? 这个一箱多少？有多少？
这个一箱是24瓶。
哦，
那如果可以买一，
这个还有蟑螂镜。
要拉。
Oh, okay, for insect.
哎，蟑螂镜还有。
Hey, it smell like that one. That lemon fresh, so they use for Nigeria.
我给你个电话，还有玻璃，还有窗户，还有防雾的都有俺们，因为俺们这飞机有厂子。
好了。See as this woman strong, they walk. Nothing do her. Battery goes off. 电话号是多少？
电话号，哎，我手机刚才都是，你是哪个国家的？
Don't ask me. Don't ask me. When I had to talk to you, now they laugh me. 好了，谢谢您。
哎，好，你看看需要哪种的啊？
好啦。These people are so hardworking. I thought we need to go out to the main road.
You know the way to the main road?
Not be road be this.
If you have a man on the back because me, I don't tire to walk.
No see main road now, not be main road be that.
Which main road?
That tree place.
I wish I have no main road.
What do you mean?
Main road. Patricia cannot ever book for cab.
The cab go come meet us for here.
No.
Oh yeah now. No be small village. I don't know what vegetable this is. These are farmlands. Oh. Ah. They go the mud. Onye ka ị na-agbọrọ? Chọ ka m gbaa aka ntị. Finally, we are going home. Super exhausted. Do you know that this place is actually very hot? Like, it's so hot. The sun is so hot. Guys, I'm so tired. I want to get tickets now to go back to our city. Today to date, and we thank God. I'm going back to my city because what is this? The hustle is real. So this was us heading back to our city. I got to my city quite late. I really enjoyed the experience. Anyways, like I mentioned, please, before making any purchase, make sure you do all your verifications. Also, if you'd like me to help you verify a company, kindly use my business WhatsApp link. It's in the description box. Please don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really enjoy reading comments. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Shawty out nice off me, make a man wanna holla. Anytime I see ya.